My first year at Simonsig as a protege was it was amazing. In this program, you get to be mentored from the best of the best, and it's just such a privilege. So this will lay the foundation for you to find your feet, but also to help you to encourage other people, because that's my main goal. I want to be there for other people, help them to see that there is a bigger picture out there. So what I look forward is to all of the opportunities they put out for us, but also for me gaining from that opportunities that's put out there for us.
Being a part of the Cape Wine Makers Guild Protege has been really amazing. I have a mentor who walks the journey with me. When you have that support system, you kind of feel like you fit in, and it's been really amazing. And getting the opportunity to work with the big fish of the industry is the most amazing thing of them all. The Cape Wine Makers Guild is really doing a great job there, training us on really how to deal with life, how to evolve from being a young student to adulting, being a young working individual. So,
I think it's a great opportunity. The experience you get through the program, because you're working with this, you get to choose between 45 of some of the best winemakers in the industry. I love the attention to detail. I love that you have to be patient, and that wine can kind of change you in a way, and every harvest is different. But you have to be temperate, you have to be strong-minded, and you have to be patient most of all, and you have to learn to adapt, because like I said, every harvest is different. You can really hone in on what you want to achieve in your future just by being a part of the program, along with the life skills coaching that comes with it. It definitely gives you a good footing in life. Yeah.
Nature has been a part of my life and interested me from the beginning. And I think how I would sum up viticulture is, it's intriguing, it's different, it's a puzzle that currently needs to be solved. To make it all work, and it actually works, is amazing. It's so satisfying. The Protege program opened a door that wasn't really open before. They formed a basis where someone just finishing a degree could come in and have a very good introduction as to how the industry operates. And I think that's wonderful, because in this industry, contacts and knowing people and meeting people is everything. Because sometimes you just need that backing to say, yes, you are good enough, you are worth it, and you can go forward.
Buying into the Protege program currently, for me, it's a huge thing. It's something that is really dear to me, because the Protege program gave me a stepping stone in the industry. If now I was never part of the Protege program, I would have never had this opportunity to actually release my own brand. For example, I'm working for a member of the Cape Winemakers Guild. He gave me the opportunity to make the wine in his cellar. So that's a huge thing that we are giving young people of color in the country, or people that are coming from disadvantaged backgrounds, an opportunity to start their own business. We can all be educated in something, but if we're not in the value chain, the real value chain of the industry, we're not changing anything. Someone believed in me. If the guild never believed in me and gave me an opportunity, I wouldn't be here.
Winemaking is a mixture of science and nature, and that was two passions of mine. The South African wine industry represents change to me. It represents a melting pot of cultures. We came a long way from where we started, and I am very blessed to be able to be part of the change. I made my own wine in my second year of the Protege program, and that was also a big moment for me. There is a future for brown and black South Africans and women in the industry. I'm very excited about this. I see the previous proteges, and where they are in the industry now, and how this program changed their life.
So when I started at Savage Wines, I knew that I had to start with hard work. I have to pull up my socks. I have to do up everything as according to what it was supposed to be meant. You can you can study or whatever, anything, but if you don't have experience, if you don't have exposure, if you're not communicating, you're not socializing with people, then the degree is some sort of like useless to you. So what stood out for me from Duncan the most was that you must pay attention to detail in everything that you do. Respect, discipline, traveling around the world, tasting some wines, developing your palate plays a big role as well. South Africa, we know is there's a rainbow nation, quite a lot of people around here. But yeah, the wine industry, even through everything, it kind of like unites all of us and brings out the best of South Africa.
What led me to a career in the wine industry was my curiosity. From a young age, I always wanted to know how things work, doing more research on this industry, what careers were available, and that is how I fell into winemaking. And then the more I learned about it, the more I fell in love with it. So the Protégé program to me is very special because there is no other program like this, unfortunately. I appreciate all the people involved in it because they make you feel so held and so supported in whatever you do. Being part of the Protégé program for the last 6 months has just reinforced the idea in my head that I do belong here and that I shouldn't underestimate myself and think that I can't do things because anything is possible, really. It's important to believe in yourself as much as others believe in you. What excites me about winemaking is that you can create an entire experience for someone.
So my wine career started in 2014 when I started my first job as a cellar assistant in Franschhoek. So I wanted to learn more about this science about wine. After graduation, I applied for the Cape Winemakers Guild Protégé program, and I'm now in my 3rd year already. I worked on 3 different farms, and just to learn the tricks of the trade from the different winemakers is so amazing. There's something that you can't learn on university, and I really enjoyed it. I learned a lot about myself as a person, and I also developed myself as a person. It's that, how can I say, that conversion of that shift from being a student to becoming an adult. You can see you have changed as a person. You know, your personality changed, the way you talk changed, especially about wine. It's amazing. You know, I think it's a really great program, a really good platform to start as a young winemaker, and it helped me a lot as a person. I'm really grateful to be in this program, really.
You know, I suit the industry and the industry suits me, and the South African wine industry is like a big family. That I think the knowledge and the generational experience and skills that are passed down are exceptional because every single winemaker that I've come across, they are interested in building the South African wine industry, and that starts with the future generations. And so the mentors that I've had in the Cape Winemakers Guild program have been exceptional. They've backed me and they've been so positive about my future. And I think that this is what the South African wine industry is about. They make good premium wine at such good prices, and yet they still use their skills and experience to fund the future.
The Protégé program was really important for me, even though I'm only 2nd year. The first year was interesting because I learned a lot of practical work which I needed. I think university gives you a nice theoretical platform, and the Protégé program gave me a nice practical platform. So I learned a lot. I worked with Warren at Neil Ellis, and taught me always to have a backup plan for your A plan, when you have a plan B. And yeah, a lot of general knowledge and skill that I learned in the first year. This year, really interesting, starting my own wine, made my own wine. Learned a whole lot of new things compared to first year. So there is a big transformation happening in the wine industry, which is good. And I think for the future, the wine industry it's definitely on the right path right now to becoming something that South African wine industry is going to be proud of. I think so.